You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday despite strong jobs data boosting it early on, after concerns were raised by lower than expected corporate earnings and fears that rapidly rising bond yields could slow down the recovery and deter the Fed from tapering. The dollar ended the day at 1.3346 to the euro and 97.35 to the yen. Today's data include Michigan confidence, which is expected to rise a basis point to 85.2, housing starts, which are expected to rise 7.7%, and building permits, which are forecast to bounce back to 2.9% in July. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Thursday, rising versus the dollar but falling to the pound and the yen after recent economic data showed unexpected growth in France and Germany, which had the effect of lifting the whole of Eurozone out of the recession and improving the outlook of the region. The single currency ended the day 1.3346 to the dollar and 129.93 to the yen. Today's data includes core Eurozone CPI in July, which is expected to remain unchanged at 1.1% on annualized basis, and Eurozone trade data. British pound. The pound rose on Thursday after retail sales data showed higher than expected 1.1% rise in July versus the 0.6% expected. Sterling ended the day at 1.5637 to the dollar and 0.8531 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Thursday after safe haven demand increased after risk appetite faltered on concerns about the strength of the US recovery after poor earnings result from the Walmart and Cisco and concerns rising bond yields could impact the cost of the borrowing and the economic recovery in general. The Japanese ended the day at 97.35 to the dollar and 152.20 to the pound. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from expert portfolio. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3315 with 1.337 and 1.34 inside. The downside breakout of 1.3315, which will open the way to 1.327 and 1.3235. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.557 with targets at 1.565 and 1.5685. The downside breakout of 1.557, which will open the way to 1.554 and 1.549. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 98 with targets at 96.95 and 96.4. The upside breakout of 98, which will open the way to 98.3 and 98.65. Good luck and happy trading! Tune in on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.